Good morning, students. I, myself, Dr. V. Kadam, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. Students, today we are going to learn the chapter Correlation and Regression, and the today's topic is Regression Analysis and Types of Regression. Regression Analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical method of determining the mathematical functional relationship connecting independent variable and a dependent variable. In a simple word, regression analysis is used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Regression analysis is a statistical process for estimating the relationship between the dependent variable or criterion variable and one or more independent variables or predictors. Regression analysis explains the changes in criterion in relation to changes in select predictors. The conditional expectation of the criterion based on predictors where the average value of the dependent variables is given when the independent variables are changed. Three major uses for regression analysis are determining the strength of predictors, forecasting an effect, and trend forecasting. What is regression analysis? Let's take a simple example. Suppose your manager asks you to predict annual sales. There can be 100 of factors that affect sales. In this case, sales is your dependent variable. Factors affecting sales are independent variables. Regression analysis would help you to solve this problem. Regression techniques are one of the most popular statistical techniques used for predictive modeling and data mining tasks. On average, analytics professionals know only 2-3 types of regression which are commonly used in real world. They are linear and logistic regression. But the fact is there are more than 10 types of regression algorithm designed for various types of analysis. Each type has its own significance. Every analyst must know which form of regression to use depending on type of data and distribution. Types of regression. Based on the kind of relationship between the dependent variable and the set of independent variables, there arises two broad categories of regression. That means linear regression and non-linear regression. If the relationship is linear and there is only one independent variable, then the regression is called as simple linear regression. On the other hand, if the relationship is linear and the number of independent variables is two or more, then the regression is called as multiple linear regression. If the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable or variables is not linear, then the regression is called as non-linear regression. Linear regression, simple linear regression, one is x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Multiple linear regression, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 are the independent variables and y is the dependent variable. First, simple linear regression. It is one of the most widely known modeling techniques. In this technique, the dependent variable is continuous. Independent variable can be continuous or discrete, and nature of relationship is linear. This relationship can be expressed using a straight line equation, that means linear regression, that best approximates all the individual's data points. Simple linear regression established a relationship between a dependent variable on y-axis and one independent variable on x-axis using the best fitted straight line, also known as regression line. This diagram shows the displacement of 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450 and 500 on x-axis. It is the independent variable, and mileages 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 is the dependent variable. See, this is the straight line. The general formula of the simple linear regression equation is y means dependent variable is equal to a plus bx plus e, where x is independent variable, y is dependent variable, a is intercept, b is slope of the line, and e is error terms. This equation can be used to estimate the value of response variable y based on the given values of the predictor variable x within its domain. See, in this figure, a dependent variable x, independent variable x, dependent variable y, error, the regression line y is equal to a plus bx plus e. Applications of simple linear regression includes predicting crop yield based on the amount of rainfall. Yield is dependent variable while the amount of rainfall is independent variable. Marks scored by students based on number of hours studied. Here marks scored is dependent variable and number of hours studied is independent variable. Predicting the salary of a person based on years of experience. Thus, experience becomes the independent variable while salary becomes the dependent variable. Number two types of linear regression is known as multiple linear regression. In the case of several independent variables, regression analysis is allow us to compare the effects of independent variables measured on different scales, such as the effect of price changes and the number of promotional activities. Multiple linear regression uses two or more independent variables to estimate the value of the response variable. In general, form of the multiple linear regression equation is y is equal to a plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 plus b3 x3 plus bt xt plus e. Here y represent the dependent variable, x1 represent the first independent variable, a and b1 is the regression coefficient and e is the error term. x1, x2, x3 are the independent variables and y is the dependent variable. Suppose that prices of the product, that means y, dependent variable, mainly upon three promotional activities such as discount x1, installment scheme x2 and free installation x3. If the prices of the product has a linear relationship with each promotional activities, then the relationship among y and x1, x2 and x3 may be expressed using the above general form as y is equal to a plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 plus b3 x3 plus e. See, in this diagram, the length of sepal 5, 6, 7, 8 and width of sepals in millimeter 20, 25, 2, 2.5, 3.5, 4, 4.5 and the three faces Setosa, versicolor and Virginia. Multiple linear regression analysis can help us in the following ways. It helps us predict trends and future values. The multiple linear regression analysis can be used to get point estimates. It can be used to forecast the effect or impact of changes. That is, multiple linear regression analysis can help to understand how much will the dependent variable change when we change the independent variables. It can be used to identify the strength of the effect that the independent variables have on a dependent variable. And number 2 type of regression is known as non-linear regression. If the regression is not linear and is in some other forms, then the regression is said to be non-linear regression. Some of the non-linear relationships are displayed below. On y-axis, prices of the house, it is a dependent variable, and on the x-axis, area of the houses in square feet, it is independent variable. Now students, look at this picture. The area of houses increase in square feet, the prices of the house also increased, but at the stage of 1500 square feet, the area of houses increased but the prices of house is decreased. Area of house in square feet is increased towards the 2500, but the prices of the houses is decline from 1500 square feet. It is known as non-linear regression. The straight line indicates the linear regression. That means the area of houses is increased. Naturally, the prices of houses also increased. But what happens in this case? The area of house is increased. The prices of the house is also increased, but at one stage, that means 1500 square feet, the area of prices is decline. Thank you.